Hi everyone, how are you? You are watching Let's Zoom Accountancy. Myself Amit Chaman. Today I am going to teach you Advanced Accounting Become 4th semester under Guwahati University, 3rd unit. And name of the unit is what? Investment account. Before entering into the investment account, we have to know what is investment. So you know the different forms of assets. Say real estates. Example, land, building, bank deposits, securities such as government securities, debentures, bonds, different types of shares, say equity shares, preference shares, etc. And when a person invests in any of these assets, that will be called as what? Investment. And the basic purpose of investment is what? To earn income. The income may be earned in the form of interest, or it may be earned in the form of dividends. When a person invests in securities such as debentures, preference shares, the investor earn the income in the form of interest. When they invest in the securities such as equity shares, they earn dividend. Is it clear? Now look, what is the meaning of investment? The term investment is an asset which generates income to the holders. That means the investment is an asset which generates or helps in earning income to the investment holders. Look to the second part. That is types of investment. The investment can be different types. Here I will discuss the types of investment from 2 points of view. The first one from the viewpoint of nature of income, and the second one as per accounting standard 13. Now look, from the viewpoint of nature of income, the investment can be categorized into 2 parts. The first one, fixed income bearing securities, and the second one, variable income bearing securities. Let's look the fixed income bearing securities. Fixed income bearing securities are those securities from which the holders will get fixed rate of income or fixed amount of income at different time periods or at different time. Okay, say example, a investors who invest in 12% debentures and he earned rupees 12,000 per hour. So his income will be remain constant 12,000 per year. Okay, during the periods he hold the securities, and those kind of security will be called as what? Fixed income bearing securities. And the second one is what? Variable income bearing securities. This is just opposite of the fixed income bearing securities. And in this kind of securities, the investor does not get the fixed rate of income. Their income vary from time to time, from period to period. That means their income changes from time to time. Say example, an investor invests in equity shares, okay, and his earning will not remain constant in different time periods. His income will be changes. So the basic difference between fixed income bearing securities and variable income bearing securities is that the fixed income bearing securities give us the fixed rate of income or fixed amount of income at different time periods, but in case of variable income bearing securities, the income not remain constant. It is changed from time to time. Next, look to the second part. As per the accounting standard 13, we know that the Indian accounting standard 13 that deals with the investment account, and according to that, the investment can be categorized into 3 parts. The first one, current investment or short-term investment. Second one, long-term investment. Third one, investment in property. Next, look, current investment or short-term investment. The name itself describes the investment which is made and hold for a period of short time. That kind of securities will be called as what? Current investment or short-term investment. Say example, investment in money market, say certificate of deposits, commercial paper, bills of exchange, okay, Okay, the investment in these kind of securities will be called as what? Short-term investment or current investment. And these kind of investment are readily realizable. Okay, within a very short period of time, you can realize it in the market and convert it into cash. Next group, long-term investment. This is just opposite of current investment. And the long-term investment which is made for a period of more than 12 months. That means the securities which is held for a period of 12 months or 1 year, that will be called as what? Long-term investment. Say example, investment in debentures, investment in preference shares, investment in government bonds, that will be called as what? Long-term investment. The next one is what? Investment in property. One thing you have to remember, the investment on property means, say, investment in land, investment in building, and this kind of investment is not for carrying business operation. These are for personal interest. Next part, look. Investment accounting. Investment account is what? It is an account which is held for keeping all the records of a particular investment. That means all the transactions are recorded in a particular account regarding an investment, that will be called as what? Investment account. Look at here. In order to keep records of each type of securities, an investment account is maintained, is called what? Investment account. Next, look. What is called investment accounting? Investment accounting is nothing. This is just a procedure or process through which the various transactions of an investments are recorded in order to providing the full information. That is called what? Investment accounting. Look at here. The process of recording each kind of transaction relating to various classes of securities in an investment account in order to providing full information about each type of securities is called what? Investment accounting. Next, the objective of preparing investment account. Here I have described, basically there are three objectives of preparing investment account. The first one, recording of detailed information, then determination of values of securities, then profit or loss in dealings. The first one is what? The main objective of preparing investment account is what? For detailed records of a particular investment, to record all the transactions relating to a particular securities, we are preparing the investment account. Second one, determination of values of securities. Okay, with the help of preparing investment account, the values of a particular securities can be determined for at a point of time. That is the second objective of preparing investment account. And the third one, where profit or loss in dealings. The investment may be purchased and it may be sold out. So whether they earning and profit or loss on dealings in investment, that can also be determined with the help of preparing an investment account. So this is the class for today. In my next class, I will teach you the forms of investment account. So যদি ক্লাছটো ভাল লাগে লাইক কৰিবা, কমেন্টস কৰিবা, সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা আৰু নিজৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীলৈ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা যাতে সিহঁতেও ইয়াৰ লাভটো অনুভৱ কৰিব পাৰে। Thank you. Wait for the next video.